Hey everyone, I'm Bhavin Shah from aisyntra. Every company has knowledge scattered everywhere. PDF, policies, manuals, product sheets, and when someone needs an answer, they waste minutes, sometimes hours, just searching. Slow replies, repeated questions, lost productivity. This is the daily struggle for every team. But what if all your documents could answer your team instantly? Meet aisyntra's RAG knowledge-based AI chatbot, your smartest assistant. It learns directly from your files, PDF, Word docs, training guides, SOP. It understands context, finds exact answers, and replies instantly, just like your expert employee. With RAG technology, it doesn't guess. It retrieves the right information and responds with confidence. Teams using this have achieved 70% faster query resolution, 0 repeated questions, better accuracy, compliance, and onboarding, 24/7 instant answers. And yes, your data stays encrypted, protected, and fully in your control. Our clients say it's a game changer. Instant, accurate answers anytime. And this is just the beginning. aisyntra is adding voice chatbots, multi-language support, visual document understanding, workflows and CRM, HRMS, and ERP integrations. So stop searching, start knowing. Let AI answer for you. Connect with aisyntra and upgrade your workflow today.